Today we're talking about the Page View feature in Scrivener 3 for Windows. If you've tried using the Page View feature under View, Text Editing, thinking that it'll show you an as-is page with regards to your word processing app, you may have found that this really does not represent what the final product looks like. Obviously, the default is a standard size, and it is set according to the page setup in the File menu. However, if you have already set up your compile settings to exactly how you want the margins, you can get a better representation of how that is going to look. Go to File, Options, Appearance, and Page View, and in the Base Page View Size On pull-down menu, select Compile Settings. Obviously, this also depends on the settings you have in your editor. If they aren't the same as your final output, i.e. font face and size, it's probably still going to look off because it isn't a print preview. It's just a rough representation so you can gauge where you are. Next time we'll be starting to talk about text styles.